When your VicoHome app gets stuck on the loading screen, won't open, freezes, or shows a black screen, these frustrating issues usually have straightforward solutions. These problems typically manifest as the app getting stuck on loading, refusing to open entirely, freezing during use, or displaying only a black screen instead of your camera feeds. The root causes usually involve connectivity issues, app health problems like cache buildup, device compatibility issues, or outdated firmware and app versions. Start with the most common cause, connectivity issues. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and consider moving your cameras closer to the router. Next, restart all your devices. Power cycle your router, restart your smartphone, and for plug-in cameras, unplug them for 30 seconds before plugging them back in. Clear the app's accumulated cache and data. Go to your phone's settings, find the VicoHome app, and clear both cache and data. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts. Ensure both your VicoHome app and camera firmware are updated to the latest versions. Check your app store for app updates and use the VicoHome app to update camera firmware. Verify that the VicoHome app has all necessary permissions. Check your phone's settings to ensure the app has access to camera, storage, and network functions. For 4G cameras, verify that the SIM card is correctly installed, has sufficient data remaining, and that the APN settings are properly configured for your carrier. As a final step, reset your camera by locating the reset button and holding it down for about 10 seconds. This will restore the camera to factory settings and often resolves persistent connection issues. These initial troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of VicoHome app problems and can quickly restore your app's functionality. Start with the connectivity and restart steps, then proceed through app maintenance tasks as needed. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your VicoHome app issues, advanced network optimization can make a significant difference. Network congestion is often the hidden culprit behind app performance problems. Optimizing your camera settings can dramatically improve app performance and reduce connectivity issues. Focus on motion detection sensitivity and video resolution adjustments for better stability. Proper notification configuration is essential for the VicoHome app to function correctly. You need to enable notifications in both your phone's system settings and within the VicoHome app itself. Physical obstructions and electronic interference can severely impact your camera's Wi-Fi connection. Check for walls, metal objects, or other electronic devices that might be blocking the signal path. For 4G cameras, SIM card issues are a common cause of connectivity problems. Ensure your SIM card has sufficient data, is properly installed, and that the APN settings are correctly configured. Regular system updates are crucial for maintaining app compatibility. Keep your smartphone's operating system current, and don't hesitate to contact VicoHome support if issues persist after trying these solutions. Ongoing maintenance is key to preventing future issues. Regularly update your app and camera firmware, monitor your network connection, and periodically clear the app cache to ensure smooth operation of your security cameras.